Today we are going to look at the characteristics of microorganisms. When we say microorganism, we mean the category of organisms that cannot be seen with naked eyes. They include, as you can see from the depiction, first of all the fungus, which are eukaryotic organisms, the bacteria, which are prokaryotic organisms, and the viruses, which are obligate intracellular parasites, and finally the protozoans, which are mostly commensals and parasitic in nature. Prokaryotic organism doesn't have membrane-bound organelles such as the Golgi apparatus. An example of them is the Staphylococcus aureus, Streptococcus species, Escherichia coli, and Klebsiella pneumoniae. Very good characteristics of bacteria usually start with the fact that they lack what is called the membrane-bound nucleus, or they are prokaryotes, and they can live in almost every environment, from the savage environment to mesophilic environment, and they can usually be divided or multiply using binary fission. And most importantly is that they are unicellular in nature, and they possess the cell wall and the cell membrane and other distinct organelles that are very important in running the cell itself. As you can see, the membrane, the flagella, the cilia, the ribosome, and the DNA itself. And fungi are sporulating organisms that feed on dwell on organic matter, and they are very important in recycling waste product, and they are important in industry and domestic uses. Example of them include the yeast, the mushroom, which are used in the production of food substances and for the production of toxins. Some of them, they are pathogenic in nature as they cause so many infections. Now, viruses, they are obligate intraparasite, meaning they cannot reproduce or multiply by themselves. They hijack the metabolism of the host cell to produce their daughter particles. Then the protozoans. Most of the protozoans, that the amoeba, the euglena, and others, they have so many species, more than 50,000 plus. They are pre-living, and they can be categorized using their body symmetry, and they are eukaryotic. The nutrition include holozoic, halophytic, saprophyte, and other things. Now, read further so that you can answer the following question. Categorize the organism, differentiate between the organisms, and state the characteristics of each of the organism. Thank you for listening.